Hello everybody, welcome to online class. In the last class we have discussed regarding the theoretical exercises on creativity, and we have discussed some practical exercises on creativity like matching the numbers of a matchsticks, then throwing the balls, then connecting the dots. Okay, so today we'll discuss some more practical exercises on creativity so that to develop the creative thinking. Okay, so in today's class we'll start with the exercise number 4. From this image, what do you see? Take a 5 seconds and we'll discuss the answers. Okay, from this image we can see 3 birds flying to their flying to their nest. Okay, so from this we can see what? 3 birds are flying to their nest, or we can see a face of woman. Okay, next exercise is a children's task. That is, this task was given to a group of children for a admission in kindergarten for gifted children in Nagoya, Japan, and 74% of the children solved it. So go through the problem or the task and we'll discuss the solution. Okay, we'll read out the numbers given. Okay, 8809 is equal to 6, 7111 is equal to 0, 2172 is equal to 0, 6666 is equal to 4, 1111 is equal to 0, 3213 is equal to 0, 7662 is equal to 2, 9312 is equal to 1. 0000 is equal to 4, 2222 is equal to 0, 3333 is equal to 0, 5555 is equal to 0, 8193 is equal to 3, 8096 is equal to 5, 7777 is equal to 0, 9999 is equal to 4, 7756 is equal to 1, 6855 is equal to 3, 9881 is equal to 5, 5531 is equal to 0, then 6782 is equal to question mark. We have to find out the answer for 6782. Once again, go through the question and we'll discuss the solution. Can we discuss the solution? Okay, the answer is 3. How we got the answer? That is 3. See, here in the number given, that is 6782, in the number 6, in the shape of the 6 we have one circle, right? And in the number 8, the shape of the 8 had 2 circles. See the numbers like 0, 6, 9, they have one circle in their shape, while the number like 8 had 2 circles in its shape, and it is counted as 2. So therefore the correct answer for 6782 is 3, because in the shape of 6 we have one circle and in the shape of 8 we have 2 circles. For 7 and 2 we do not have circles in the shape. Okay, even you can go through from the first number. See, the number is 8809. In the shape of 8 we have 2 circles. Then again in the number 8 we have 2 circles. In the number 0 we have 1 circle, and in the number 9 we have 1 circle. So total it is 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. If you go through the number 1111, it has 0 circles in it. Okay, then if you go through the 3333, it is also do not have any circles in its shape, so it is 0. So therefore the number 6782 is equal to 3 because it has 3 circles in it. Okay, next exercise is, okay, there is an image given which includes what, or which shows what? A candle on a table, a box of thumb tacks and a box of matches, and asked to fix the candle to the wall so that it will not drip wax onto the table below. So you have to go through the image. They have given a candle, they have given a box of thumbtacks and a box of matches, and we have to fix the candle to the wall so that it will not drop its wax onto the table. Okay, think for this. We'll discuss the solution. Okay, the solution is like, see, first of all, you have to empty the box of thumbtacks. Then put the candle into the box. Use the thumbtacks to fix the box to the wall and light the candle with the help of the matchsticks. Okay, it is so simple. See, the people think that the box is only there for what? To carry the thumbtacks. Okay, so we have to think out of the box. The box can be also used to keep what? The candle. So we have to empty the box and we have to put the candles into the box, and we have to use those thumbtacks to stick the candle or the box to the wall, and we have to light the candle with the help of the matchsticks. Okay. The next is, there are 3 switches outside a closed room. There are 3 lamps inside the room. You can flip the switches as much as you want while the door is closed, but then you must enter just once and determine which switch is connected to which lamp. How can you do it? Okay, it is so simple. See, first of all, switch the first light on for a minute, then turn it off. Okay, switch the first lamp on for a minute, then turn it off, and turn on the second lamp. Then turn on the second lamp. After that, you have to enter the room only once. So enter the room and feel the 2 bulbs that are off. Now feel both the lamps which are turned off. The one which is warm, okay, was turned on by the first switch, and the light that is on is connected to the second one, and the other 2 are the third. And the other is the third one. Only 3 lamps are there, so the remaining is what? Third one. The one which is warm is turned on from the first switch. The light which is slightly on or which is hot, okay, that is turned on from the second switch, and the one which is totally cold, okay, is the third one. The simple it is. Simple exercise. Next comes is 5 matchsticks were placed so as to form the figure of a giraffe as is shown in the diagram below. Can you move just one matchstick so that the shape of the giraffe is retained intact but is rotated or reflected? See, here they have given the 5 matchsticks. From that they have done what? The giraffe. Okay, from this you have to move only one matchstick and you have to make the face of the giraffe, you have to make it opposite side, or you have to rotate it by only just moving one matchstick. Okay, it is very simple. See, in the diagram, move only one matchstick to the point giraffe in a different direction, that is to the opposite one. Earlier the face is this side. You just keep the one stick to the opposite side and the giraffe face will be rotated or the reflected. Okay. Next comes is from this image, or what is this figure or this image? From this image what you can see? What do you see? That you tell. Okay. In this, okay, in this image, if you look at it one way, that is the one which is colored in black, it looks like a bird, especially like a phoenix. Okay. Then if you look at it another way, that is which is colored in white, it looks like question mark. Okay. So there are two images of one is like a bird, like a phoenix, and another one is like a question mark. Okay. Next comes is a blind beggar had a brother who died. What relation was the blind beggar to the brother who died? And they have given a hint that brother is not the answer. It means the blind beggar is not a brother. If the blind beggar is not the brother of the brother who died, then she will be sister. They have mentioned it that the blind beggar is not a brother, but the person who died is a brother of the blind beggar. Then who can be that blind beggar? She can be a sister. Okay. Next comes is, how many triangles do you see? You count the triangles, take few seconds and count the triangles, and later we'll discuss the solution. Okay. See, here is the solution. You have to first count down the smallest triangles, which is 16, one biggest, then it will be 17, then size 3. You have to include the 3 steps of triangles, that becomes one triangle, and from the bottom it becomes 2, 3 size 3 of 2 triangles. So it becomes 16 plus 17 plus 3 is 20. Next, if you add 2 small triangles, it becomes a big one triangle. Like that we have 6 triangles altogether, and there is one hidden inverted triangle. So total it is 27. Okay. Next is, what do you see from this image? See, the hint is what? You should be able to perceive 2 different images. Here you have to perceive 2 different images. Okay. Here we can see 2 images, like one is of an Indian chef, another one is Eskimo. How we can see this? We'll discuss. See, here the dark patch on the right of the image can be darkness into which an Eskimo is facing. The whatever the dark patches are there is which is to which the Eskimo is facing. Okay, that is what Eskimo is one image. Second one is the hair on top of the face of a person who is facing to the left. So this again, the dark patches are the hair of the person who is facing to the left. So there are 2 images, one is of an Indian chef or a person's face, and another one is Eskimo. Okay. Next is, in which direction is the bus pictured below traveling? To which direction the bus is traveling, we have to tell. So the answer is, the bus is traveling either left or right. Okay. How? See, the direction will depend on the country the bus is in. There are 2 countries, left hand drive countries and the right hand drive countries. If the bus is in for left hand drive countries, the bus is going to the right as you cannot see the door to get it. Then if it is for right hand drive countries, then the bus is going to the left as you cannot see the door to get it. Okay. The last exercise is, how do you cut a cake into 8 equal pieces with only 3 cuts? Okay. The answer is very simple. See, first you have to make what? 3 cuts and you have to make 8 equal pieces. So the first cut we have to make where? First cut down the cake, center of the cake. That is, you first have to cut down the center of the cake vertically, leaving 2 equal half or halves. Okay, you have to first cut in between the cake, in the middle of the cake vertically. Then it will make a 2 parts of the cake. Okay, this is one cut. Second cut, across the center of the cake. Across the center of the cake you have to cut it. The third cut is through the middle edge of the cake. Okay, through the middle edge of the cake we have to cut. Now cake slicing all 4 of the pieces in equal half, leaving 8 pieces. How? Equal slices will be 8 equal slices will be done. How? 4 equal slices on top, 4 equal slices on tops and 4 equal slices at the bottoms. So it becomes what? 8 equal pieces of the cake by only 3 cuts. Okay. If you have any doubts in practical exercises on creativity, then do clear it. Thank you.